What's up, guys?
What's up?
Ooh, it's been a while.
Yes, it has.
Like, we've done a lot of videos, so they've been scheduled, but she finally had the baby.
Yeah.
So we're missing a member now in these car videos, car bangs.
Yes.
But today we're gonna eat what, Steph?
We're going to eat Subway's smoked brisket sandwich.
Ooh, and it smells good.
Yes. We have it on Italian bread, and then they added the brisket, American cheese, and barbecue.
It's very saucy. Ooh, look at that meat. It's already falling out. Look at that. That's some thick brisket, yo. Look at that. And it's saucy. Let me put that back in. Ooh.
So this is the first video back from
pregnancy,
having the baby, and let's do this.
I know. Technically, this is the first video of September.
Yes.
We just do a lot of food videos. Okay.
Do it. Yes. I'm like, yeah, you want to pass it?
I didn't want to pass it.
Okay.
Now that right there. That's it. That's it right there. Look at that. What's funny is the only improvement I would even make is I thought she put a lot of barbecue sauce, which it looked like she did because it's dripping. But the barbecue is so saucy and so good, you want more. Like for me, I was like, I would make this just a sloppy Joe type of thing. Have so much barbecue on it because it was that good.
The meat is pretty good.
It's tender, it's juicy.
Yeah.
It breaks apart so easy and smooth.
Wow.
They not lying.
I'm impressed.
I feel like they ain't following the chicken hype. They doing the brisket hype. Look at this. Look at that. That right there. Oh my god.
It is very good.
Gotta get it. Can I bite the end?
Go for it. He always bites ends for some odd reason.
I love it.
Just ruins the look.
I'll wait.
Go ahead. No, go ahead.
Okay. Look, back in. It was just bread anyway.
I know. What would you rate this, Boo?
I mean, Subway just made barbecue food. I would rate this for the first time, for me, trying this, an easy 9.
I agree. I was going to say the exact same thing.
9 out of 10, hands down. I don't know why it's not a 10 in my head. Nah, it's a 10. I can't find anything wrong with this. She gonna say 9, but
I say 9. I wish there was more like cheese. I'm a cheesy person.
But I'm saying I don't really think brisket sandwiches are about the cheese. The cheese is there.
True,
it just doesn't stand out. So I can get why. Like you want to taste all flavors, including the cheese. But I can understand. But I guess 9 is fine.
It's okay. You can stick with your 10.
But I just talked myself down to a 9. I was like, you know what? When we eat most things, we be big on cheese.
Yeah.
I need to keep that same energy with them.
Yeah, cheese makes a lot of stuff. And this is amazing. But what could just take it to that last little step is more cheese. Like, give me like 2 more slices of cheese. Or maybe a different type of cheese.
But judging just the brisket.
Oh, the brisket is a 10. Surprisingly. Weirdly. From a Subway? Yeah.
Oh my god. Here. I'm just glad we get to get back into these videos, man. I've been dying out here to want to try all this new food. Even the wrapper looks tasty, yo. Are you judging me? Are you making that face?
Nothing. I does nothing. But yeah.
That was damn near perfect.
Good job, Subway.
I think this is my favorite Subway sandwich.
Uh-oh, here we go.
And when I have a favorite, that means I gotta go get it again and again and again. Oh my God. Anyways, I'm Alex.
And I'm Steph.
This is What the Food.
As in, what did we just eat?
Subway. This is what I'm talking about, Subway. This is what I'm...
That's what he's talking about, Subway.
Man, give me that stuff.
That's right.
That was good, yo.
Yes.
Oh, love it. Okay, me out.